Okay, good afternoon, Tanvi. I have got Tanvi with me who is doing internship in Endeavor Marketing. So I would just like Tanvi to introduce herself.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Tanvi Nayak. I'm from Goa and I'm currently pursuing MBA in Jain College of Engineering, Belgavi. And my hobbies are painting and craft. I do certain craft like explosion box, different cards which are made of chart paper or different material papers.
Okay, okay. And how was the training that was given to you in Endeavor Marketing in the initial week? How useful was it for you?
So the training was very informative. We got to learn a lot of new things about digital marketing, about different pages on Facebook, how to promote your product, and how the funding is used in a proper way to advertise your product on Facebook and
Okay,
different social medias.
okay. And what is the project that you're working on?
I am working on lead generation where Endure Marketing helps other companies to get leads through social media, through digital marketing.
Okay, and how you have gone about executing your project?
So, what I did was I targeted new businesses because it's difficult for them to get into contact with new customers. So, Endure Marketing could help them get new customers because they already have contacts. So, I made two different posters. One was basically focused on new startup companies, and one was in general. So, we could target the companies and then we can help them to generate leads.
Okay. And have you personally contacted these companies? Then what has been your mode of communication with them?
I have posted on different medias like Facebook, Instagram. Could not get that much of message DMs because all the people that I have in my contact are mostly the youngsters who are still studying. So I'm still trying, sir.
Okay, okay. And how is your journey been in this internship working with Endeavor Marketing?
It's been really great because of y'all. The mentors are really good. You and Rashmi ma'am, who literally helped us to how to go about. Even you gave us direction, how to make a poster, what else to add, how we can make it more attractive. So that has really helped me to grow.
Okay, okay. Were you aware of how to go about online marketing before joining the internship program?
It was very basic information how to post stories and all, but then I did not know you can actually control the people which are looking at your promotions because I did not know that we can actually take a geographic map and just see
Okay,
who all can see your posts.
okay. And what have been your learnings? I mean, in this 1 month of internship, what we have been doing?
My learning is I did not know how to make posters. In school, in college, we just use Photoshop for a while, but then I could actually go through Canva app and learn how to make posters, learn what are the different features of it, then how to write content. Yeah, that's
Okay. So how do you find this field? I mean, it was just an introduction to you, I mean, what digital marketing is all about. So what do you think about? I mean, should all businesses should have their online presence and use digital marketing?
Yes, sir, because now India is actually going through a digital era where people are actually more on phone rather than checking the newspaper. They even the papers are they go to different app and everything is going online now. And online presence of a company is very important because through that people get to know you. Not only the place where your business is located, but also where also the different cities and digital marketing it really helps to attract customer.
Okay, okay. And how do you feel about the support you have been getting in Endeavor Marketing?
It's really good, so you've been always encouraging us to make new posters, to get into contact with different customers. Even we face a lot of difficulties in the beginning to get into touch of customers, but then you really encouraged us, said that you should always try to bring them on our side and to make them understand what is our point. So it was really helpful, sir.
Okay. Thanks, Tanvi. It was nice talking to you, and we wish you a very bright future.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.